Hey there everybody, in this video what we are going to do is troubleshoot the Elgato Camera Hub not connecting to your iPhone. So let me go ahead and move on over here to my computer and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see here, we have just the kind of opening window that's saying connect device. The thing is, I have a device connected right now. My phone is connected with a USB cable. The EpoCcam Pro software is open and running on my phone, but nothing's happening. And I've ran into this before. The last time I was reinstalling Windows on my last computer, and what I'm trying to do right now is get this up and running on a new computer. So here's the gotcha. You need to go and install iTunes. None of this works unless you have iTunes. So what we need to do is we need to go install iTunes. So once you do that, this should all work. And I'm going to actually walk through it. If you want to stick around and watch the rest of the video, you can watch me go ahead and install iTunes and get this running. Let's go ahead and we're going to go install iTunes. I'll pop that open. iTunes. Downloads. Download latest versions from the Microsoft Store. Okay. That's fine. Download. I'm going to open up my other folder here. I'm going to double click on it. And we are going to install it. I think before I finish doing any of the installs, I think what I'm going to do is also close down this completely. We're going to click on install. Close that down now while it's installing. All right, it's ready. We're just going to click on agree and let it run. Simplest way, blah, 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 blah. Do you agree to share details about your library with Apple? I'm going to say no, thanks. And we should be ready to go now. All right, so we've got that on. Once you have this installed, go ahead back to your phone, plug it in, go ahead and open up the EpoCcam Pro on your iPhone. Then you want to go down and you want to start Elgato Camera Hub. And if all is good, there we go. We've got it. So that's the key there. You want to make sure that you have iTunes installed. Once you have iTunes installed, it's pretty much back to operating as normal. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have an awesome day.